It's time for us to practice our foundation sounds. So if everyone is ready, everyone remember how we do foundations. We sit up straight, tall backs. We take our hands, we place them in our laps, eyes looking forward, ears listening, and repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. Whoop, sorry guys. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. And Z, zebra, Z. Good job, everybody. Make sure you're practicing. Bye.